guys, my name is Anthony and this is Crypto Free. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys what's going on the Bitcoin chart. But before we start, I just want to say something really interesting. Bitcoin and Ethereum and Litecoin, probably other coins, are doing something, the same thing. They are doing a falling broadening wedge, and that is really interesting. So they're kind of following each other, and that makes sense because Bitcoin or Ethereum are kind of the leading indicators right now. So they are the cryptos are all following Bitcoin, so that's reasonable. But this means that in Bitcoin, when I'm going to talk about this falling broadening wedge, it will kind of matter to Ethereum and Link and whatever. But anyway, Bitcoin is forming something called an M. I said this in the previous video, but right now I'll be giving you guys updates of this M. And where will we go if we break this M? But to break this M, we have to break this support level right here. And I'll be telling you guys how there is still hope that Bitcoin could go up. There's still hope that this is not the end for Bitcoin. And if this is, well, of course it's not the end for Bitcoin, but if we will break this level, we could be falling down, and we probably will fall really low. So I'll be explaining you guys all that and more in this video, so let's get into it. And guys, before we start this video, I just want to say one more thing. MMcrypto, he shouted me out in this video. Thank you for everybody who subscribed to me. Thank you for MMcrypto for shouting me out. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers here. Share this video and get this video and get me to 1,000 subscribers. Well, this seems impossible, but if you guys can, please, everybody hit that like button who subscribe, because I want this video to get 1,000 likes, even though that kind of seems impossible. But let's get this video to as high as we possibly can, because I can't wait for us to get 1,000 subscribers. That's a big milestone and in my YouTube channel. And thank you again, MMcrypto, for shouting me out. Here is the clip from when he shouted me out.
The community so strong. Wow, big donation here. Thank you, everyone. Hello, I am 13 years old and I want to thank you for inspiring me to open a YouTube channel. Beautiful, beautiful. Guys, you can go over here to Crypto for You. 13 years old. Usually I would never do that, or I would charge a lot, but man, beautiful. If you are really 13 years old, thank you so much for the donation, man. $25. When I was 13, $25 was what I had in a week, or like less. I had less than $25 a week. So, man, big shout out to you. You will be successful. I can see it already. Thank you so much for following, man. And thanks and good luck for your channel. Beautiful. Wow, I'm getting goosebumps. That's amazing. Goosebumps. Amazing, guys. Very, very, very nice. So congrats and good luck for your channel. Very nice. I just forgot what I was talking about. But of course, when you see someone here 13 years old, he's really 13, someone says. When you see something like this, it lightens up my heart. It's just beautiful to see. I started so late with all of these things. I was still studying back in the days, and of course then also studying the charts, but like really pushing hard, like with all my life, putting all my dedication into
yeah, so thanks MMcrypto for shouting me out again. And now that I said that, let's get into the video. So guys, let's first look at this falling broadening wedge. So this first, I said that this happens in Ethereum and Chainlink also, but looks like we hit the bottom of it right now. And since we hit the bottom of it, looks like we could be going up. But this, of course, falling broadening wedge is bullish. It takes us 80% chance to the upside and 20% chance to the downside. That's why I think we could be going up. But we have something called the McDonald's pattern. And what's interesting is that this is called McDonald's, well, I call it McDonald's, just actually an M pattern. You could call it even an M&M. Because look at this. So this M, if we break this line right here, this is the line that we're supposed to break. This M is huge. It's probably like the biggest M that we've seen in this bull market. It is actually the biggest M that we've seen in this bull market so far. If we play this out, this will be huge. Because look at this. Look how we predict where it's going to go. So we get this neckline right here to the top of this, which is the first, let's just say, the first wave of the M. And you guys can see that get it to this place where we're going to fall out. And this line takes us to this level. So first I want to say that this support is both fundamental and technical. It's at 30,000, and so you can clearly see by history, fundamental, that it is a support level. We tap to here, we tap to here, and tap to here, and we confirm support all the time. but it's also technical because on the VPVR, it is also a really big support level. So this is a huge support level. And if we break this level, we could be falling down to about here. This is like the halfway midpoint level, but it also is about the halfway point of this whole bull market. Because if we zoom out, guys, I just want to show you guys this whole bull market. I have to go to a bigger time frame to actually show you guys. So this whole bull market right here, this to this top right here, if we put the Fibonacci retracement on it, you can see that. Now let's go back to the smaller time frame. You guys can see that the 0.618 level is right at this line. So that means that this line is huge because one, it's a huge level on the VPVR. You guys can see that right here. There's a huge level. Don't look at the bottom because that was just a 10,000 level and we were just staying there for a long time. But see, this is a huge level right there, the biggest of them all. And two, we kept confirming support here. And three, if we go to the BLX chart, which is the Brave New Coin Liquid Index for Bitcoin, and we turn on this indicator, you guys can see that 18,000 is right here, the middle of this band. And you guys can see that, like I said, I think a couple of videos ago, that when we were going up and of course the stock to flow model was orange, we kept falling to either the top of this band or the middle of this band. Like, let's see if I can find an example right here. See this, we fell to the middle of this band, but never more. That's why I'm thinking the most we could fall is actually 18,500. Of course, if we go and fall to the top of this band, which is of 21,700, where would this actually take us? Well, 21,700 is right here, which is also a big support. And of course, if we drag this Fibonacci retracement level, when we drag it out to there, you can see that the 21,700 level is about right here, which is a little bit lower than the 0.5 level. So we could fall from the 0.5 level to the 0.618 level if we break this resistance right here, which is 30,240. And that's why this line right here comes into play and is super big. So if you're going to put a short here, then you should better sell here, because below here, this is already, you should sell here and put a small little tiny percent, because here is already going to be like, let's just say, the Mariana Trench, and this is already going to be the practically at the end of the Mariana Trench, and the pressure is so high that right here you should probably take the emergency sub and go away. So right here is probably the bottom, and that is the most we can go. Because the M is also, there's another reason why this is a huge support, is the M is targeting right there. But there is, like I said, even though if we break this level we will fall, but if, like, if we don't, what if we don't, let's just say, guys, what if we go up right now? Well, one, because this is a falling broadening wedge, there's an 80% chance for us to go up. And if we do, let's just say we count like this, we go back inside this trend line. If we break out right now, soon, we go back inside this trend line, which is inside this triangle, which means we could go up. And like I said, there was previously triangles and triangles and triangles. So there's triangles that kept breaking us up. There were continuation patterns. So these triangles kept getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And they use this trend line. So right now, this could be like a fake down, even though this is huge fake down. But to confirm, I would say we should see like the weekly time frame, the confirmation there, because this, or maybe even the daily time frame. So we should see a confirmation if we are getting rejected off of this. But since there is bullish news, let me tell you, this falling broadening wedge, but also we were doing something called the fake down. You guys probably know that we were doing something that looked sort of like a W. Everybody started thinking that we were bearish, and then it had like this flash small crash, and then we went up really fast. So if I go back to this level right here, and I go, I think right here, you guys can see that, let's just look right here. We had something sort of like a W. But it wasn't really a W because it already played out. So look what we did. Everybody was thinking we're gonna already fall really far, but the previous high was right here. And so everybody was already thinking we're gonna fall. As soon as they thought that, look at this. There was a flash crash, and then there was a gigantic rise, and we continued with the bull market. Same thing that happened here we had this M, which by the way, this one's a better example. It didn't play out, even though it was pretty small. We were gonna break it. Everybody was gonna sell, and then there was like this flash crash, and then flash rise, and then it kept going, and so that's what actually looks like it's happening right now. Because look, we're doing this W pattern right here. Everybody thinking we're gonna sell. We should short, but we could be going up right now. So this falling broadening wedge could make us go up. And so it all matters of this. So if we break 30,200, we will go down. And if we confirm support right now, guys, and break this falling broadening wedge, we will go up $33,000. If we break $30,000, we will go up. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to click that post notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!